Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to connect long distance on the LoveSpouse app. Begin by opening the LoveSpouse app on your phone. The next step is to add your device. On the home screen, tap the option to add a device. A scan window will appear. Use your phone to scan the QR code on your device or on the manual. If scanning does not work, you can enter the device code manually. Now it is time to connect with your partner. First, ask your partner for their ID number. They can find it in their profile section. Copy the ID number. Then look at the bottom of the screen and tap the Messages tab. Inside the Messages section, you will see a Friends option. Tap on it. Here, select the option to add a new contact. A box will appear where you can paste your partner's ID. After pasting the ID, send a friend request. Your partner needs to accept it on their side. When the request is accepted, you will both appear in each other's friend list. Now you can tap on your partner's name to start a chat, voice call, or video call depending on what you prefer. Thanks for watching.